phone that's thinner and lighter than its predecessor still managed to pack in better cameras, faster charging, and more power? That's exactly what Samsung is aiming for with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. A recent leak has given us a lot to talk about, and if it turns out to be true, this might be the biggest upgrade Samsung's Ultra series has seen in years. The Galaxy S Ultra lineup has always delivered solid improvements, but the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be much more than just a yearly refresh. According to trusted tipster at Universus, the Galaxy S26 Ultra be less than 7mm thick and way less than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, making it one of the slimmest high-end phones out there. And yet, even with this thinner body, Samsung seems to be keeping the same 6.8-inch screen size, while the overall height and width might grow just a little. That could raise concerns about bigger bezels, but let's be real, Samsung has been shrinking those for years, so it's unlikely they'll go backwards now. What's more exciting is the rumored improvement to the display tech. The leak mentions a new co-depolarizer technology and third-generation anti-reflective glass. Now, the first term is still a mystery, but the upgraded glass is expected to reduce screen reflections even more, helping your phone look clearer and brighter when you're out in the sun or under strong lighting. That alone could make a big difference for everyday use. Moving to the cameras, Samsung seems to be working on some big upgrades there too. According to PhoneArt, the S26 Ultra's main sensor will be the ISOCELL HP to 2026, a newer version of the one used in earlier models. It's expected to offer a much wider aperture, which should let in more light and give you better low light photos. The 3x telephoto lens will also be new, and the 5x periscope camera is said to get a wider aperture too, making zoomed-in shots look sharper and more detailed, especially in darker settings. It's great to see Samsung finally pushing forward with meaningful camera changes instead of sticking with the same setup for years. Now, let's talk about one of the most requested upgrades: charging speed. The S26 Ultra finally moved past the 45-watt charging speed that's been stuck in place for a while. The leak says it might support 60-watt fast charging, which would make topping up the 5,000 mAh battery a lot quicker. That would be a welcome change, especially considering that some competitors have already passed 65-watt or even 80-watt fast charging, so if this upgrade happens, it could help Samsung stay in the race. Under the hood, Samsung might use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which is expected to be one of the most powerful processors next year.